Barn Point Ranger Canopy Installation Guide. First, connect the front main body and the side main bodies. Place a gasket on each side, thread the screws, and do not tighten them. Repeat the same process for the other side. Connect the rear main body. Align all parts and tighten all screws. Tear off the positioning stickers. Install the cover and attach the screw backing plates. For internal screws, install gaskets, waterproof rubber rings and nuts in order. Tighten all nuts. Assemble the roof rack. Crossbar mark 1 at the front of the vehicle, 4 at the rear. The logo faces the rear of the vehicle. First, thread the screws for the middle crossbar. Then install the front and rear crossbars. Align the positions and tighten all roof rack screws. Install the roof rack onto the top of the canopy. Slide waterproof rings onto the middle screws. Tighten with gaskets and nuts at the bottom. Remove the screw at this position on the rear of the vehicle. Fix the rear bracket here. Do not tighten it, and keep the bracket movable. Remove the screw at this position and install the front bracket, also without tightening. Place the thin padding blocks at the rear of the vehicle and the remaining ones at the front and middle parts. First, stick the double-sided black adhesive here. Drill the screw holes. Stick this part with the big hole facing up. Align with the holes. Tighten the screws. Apply adhesion promoter here. Stick double-sided black adhesive here. Conduct a test fit of the canopy on the vehicle. Adjust the position until all holes are aligned, then mark the positions. Remove the canopy and tear off the protective film here. Apply a circle of adhesion promoter. Stick a circle of waterproof adhesive. Mount the canopy onto the vehicle. Align and connect all holes. Confirm the position and tighten all screws. Cut the waterproof rubber strip. Install the handle. Slide waterproof rubber rings onto the external screws and tighten the screws. Connect the extension wire. Route the extension wire along the rear door frame. Pry open the light fixture here. Strip the wire insulation and connect the canopy light. Install the switch at this position. Remove the rear tail light. Connect the high-mount brake light to the brake light wire. Reinstall the rear tail light. Finally, proceed with the tailgate barrier installation. Secure with self-tapping screws. The installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Barn Point.